ning sinare. First of all, I thank our Almighty God that from Imphal to Ringui, that He has brought our team safely here in Ringui village for this Lura Fanit. And I also want to give my warm gratitude and happiness to the headman of Ringui village and the organizing committee for giving me this kind of such a privilege on this Lura Fanit. I think most of the guests of honor are not here, but I'll extend my warm gratitude to Madam Sumila K. Singh, former assistant professor, Dayal Singh College, Delhi University, and especially our headman of Ringui village, and all the village authority of Ringui village, as well as the village authority and all the public who are gathered together here, for giving me this such an opportunity and for inviting me. And it's such a good privilege, I should say. To start my speech, how do I say? Should I speak in Tangkhul? My Tangkhul will be like what? In Tangkhul, what do you call? Kasasnay sila. Chatini, yan. It will be like say chutney type na. The Rimphana area is a ring who kind of clay kata who kata he is a recognizable and very respectable village for inviting me. Laga, from my side, I have nothing much to say in a Hangkai Baba, especially iba isabu ba kila tuluyan ini isa mana rongmai ni naga I singai lila SDO sada fungyar lila yata ukhul lila pamsai yata yang the ila kathai ba he isi he Mahadev wrote up down sa tamli yata tumna thai khui akalile siba how do you itu mirin hi kapung atung buena taru longtagi ji apam jiwena jili if you started planning something else the asing liba kathara and if you isi we kila LM log we kili tunimli SDO video office lili yang kiba lampam jiwing namely kila ring the clay what plantation you know better yang itum I fungyali SDO sada pam sai itum na kala sa zikir zikir jiwi isi SDO video blog he jili pampung re the I try my level best. Because through my commitment and through the help from my DC, isi SDO video pungyali yang we complexly itum we can organize it. Laga jiwili pungyali bang what you call Central Bank of India he kira pungrai je na commitment le hoda jiwitam ni oza lesio naga oza worsang itum commitment sal Other bank is there, SDO video office, matalang na run sadly. Yeah? It's up to us. Itum na mukui take a, or if you don't give a commitment, as we pisa sing na pay, whatever you do your business, think about your future. Isi mirin yang after 5 years, where you will be, or tanghutu ina hangga after cikum panga tili, now we generation, yeah. That's the thing, now. So we have to think like, are we some not that you earn something or just for mere profit, but think about the future to come. Cibaji ina isi ringui village village na hang right. I want to request you, and I have nothing else to say. But the thing is that, how do we make a family? Now he abu hai na. The most affinity is the mother. Cibaina itu katong ka hisiren ping na thaidalere Napoleon Bonaparte na anahang na crazy. Give me a good mother, I'll conquer the world. Yeah? Abu mang we rob meaning, but at the same time, a father has a role also. So likewise, we should start a new kind of a life, and a generation to come, not in terms of having a drugs. I don't know, Manipur, scenario, you know better. Yeah? So, I wish you all the best, and we believe that Lirafanit is a harvesting, a time to start a new harvest. So I wish you all the best, and then may Ringui village have the best harvest in this year and the coming year to come, and then prosperity to come. From my level, I have nothing to give you. Please, the organizing committee, I just want to give some small gift.